open. Okay, these don't come included, you buy these separately. Oh my god. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm a lot clearer today than when I unboxed my Balenciagas. Oh my god. Very exciting video for you today. Can you guess what I'm going to be unboxing? You probably know by the title and the thumbnail, but I'm going to be unboxing a fake Hermes Kelly bag from an AliExpress seller. Unfortunately, this seller is actually no longer selling. Just want to put a disclaimer out there, like he closed his shop. So these are actually the last things I've got from him. Hopefully he'll be back, I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to share with you what it looked like. I haven't opened it, I haven't looked at it at all I've done is just open the actual outside box. So far, from my first impressions, this the box is not looking too authentic, but I'm not sure. So anyway, yeah, let's just get into it. So I'll just take it out. It's come with these straps. Okay, I've actually broken one already. Okay, that's it. This is definitely harder than it looks. So this is the box. It's gotten a little bit banged. Okay, that's the only thing when you order these things from China. Sometimes you just can't help. Oh shit, how can I get that out? Sometimes there's just nothing you can do. The boxes are gonna get a little damaged. They do so well they can wrap them and stuff like that. And obviously they want to send them to not look too suspicious so the customs don't get it. I don't think this is how an authentic Hermes box looks. They do have small black lining around the outside, but it's definitely not this big. Just for our knowledge, this is what an authentic outside of an Hermes bag looks like. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll just open it right on the camera like this. So I'm going to just pop this open. Okay, so it's actually a magneted box. That's actually quite nice. Oh, even the bottom is magneted. It's a very nice box. I just don't think that they've got the print completely on point, which could just be an accident. So there's just a little bit of bubble wrap to keep it safe. Okay, interesting. So just to start here before I get the bag, I've got some fake receipts, fake authenticity stuff, I guess. So just so you guys know, in real life, Hermes bags don't have authenticity cards. They do have serial codes, but they don't have authenticity cards. So the serial code actually links it back to the maker of the bag, because all the real Hermes bags are made by hand. So yeah, look, it's got this. That is a very faded receipt, but it looks like a real receipt. Says I paid Hong Kong dollars, saying 16,000. So let's see what 16,000 Hong Kong dollars is in euros. I'm guessing it's probably only like a couple of hundred or something like that, or 1,800 euros. So that actually seems like a more believable price, although you would never get a Kelly bag unless it was very old and maybe damaged for that price, because usually an Hermes Kelly bag, if you buy it new from Hermes, it usually costs somewhere between 6,000 to 8,000 for, say, like a 25. There we've got our little fake Hermes sheet, fake Hermes receipt, fake postal receipt, and even stickers. Let's get into it. So first we have, I'm assuming, let's see, we've got this and then the bag. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the locket and stuff. Oh my god. So let's see. Oh, we've got like a sample of the material. We certify the authenticity of this item. Okay, and of course you've got a horse. So really, when you buy Hermes bags, these don't come included, you buy these separately. It actually feels pretty good quality. I mean, it's only so well these can look, I think, but I'm not crazy. I think they look very childish, but a lot of people love them. We've got a twilly, and that's actually a really nice one. I don't know if I picked the color of the twilly. I didn't know. Usually Hermes bags don't come with twilly, you buy this separately, and I think from Hermes they're like 150 euro, but they are quite cool. So that's like to wrap around your handle. And then let's see, oh, we've got the lock as well. Okay, so here is the lock. Looks all right, believable enough. I'm going to just take the plastic off that now, because I don't want the metal to oxidize underneath the plastic. I said in a recent video, but you should definitely take the plastic off these things when you get them, when it's things like this. There's no key in this. Okay, and the bag looks pretty good, to be fair. I don't think, I think that the real Hermes bags, dust bags, are like a softer, whereas this is just a harder material, but it does quite look good. Now I don't think this small one looks great, but it looks all right. And here we go. Here is the bag for the bag, and again, this looks all right. It doesn't look great. I'm pretty sure that's not how the straps are. Oh my god. Okay, I will insert a picture of what the real dust bag looks like here, what they look like. Okay, it's annoying that it's in the plastic because it's not as exciting taking it out. Anyway, that this bag looks good. Let's just get this plastic off. Okay, so unfortunately the handle was pushed forward, so that's actually really annoying. Oh, but it's actually quite adjustable. Okay, on the onset, this looks really, really good. It's the Hermes Kelly 25. The only thing I can notice straight off the bat, personally, is the handle is a little bit more of a circular shape, whereas the authentic Kelly is slightly more like this, but that's not a huge deal. Oh wow, the stitching is actually, wow, they even got the stitching right. I'm shocked. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see if that focuses. But can you see that it's kind of a cross stitch? So, Hermes bags. So it doesn't look like it's like that the whole yarn. Oh wow, it even comes with, okay, so one thing that you can see, I can tell it's a fake, is that the hinges screw off the bottom. Those bits, they're not going to screw off. They all come protected with rubber, so I'm probably just going to keep that rubber on, to be honest. Let's get this plastic off. Okay, so it's not, doesn't look all the way around the bag, but around here you can see that if I'll try and, if this doesn't work, I'll insert a close-up, but the stitching is like a cross stitch, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like at an angle. So Hermes bags are all stitched like that, and that's actually one of the biggest ways you can tell a fake Hermes bag is if the stitching is like a straight stitch. As you can see, it does come with some nice felt protecting. Oh wow, more plastic. Oh guys, this is so nice. So I'm going to pop this off and just take this off so we can get a better look at the bag. So here we've got it. Oh my god, it actually looks so good, I will say. The Hermes Paris logo on this looks good. It's actually etched very, very lightly. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Can you guys see that there? It's actually etched, and that's something you can tell with fake bags as well. If it's like engraved really deep, that usually is a sign of a fake. And so it looks really good. The Hermes logo on the inside looks alright. Looks pretty good. It's slightly faded. I think the print looks okay. I think it's slightly bigger than like I think the real one's more narrow, but yeah. Okay, comes with a handle here. So the Kelly bag is obviously well known for having a handle, or a long strap rather. Also, something to note is that if you were buying a real bag, maybe it doesn't come, or you're like suspicious of where you're getting it or something from, there's never, I think there's never plastic on Hermes bags. So let's just pop up the handle here. Okay, so as you can see, it's like that. It is quite small the way the strap is, I think. I feel like it looks like it's nearly the mini one. But anyway, yeah, and if we look inside as well, then we've also got, okay, the key. So people do tend a lot of time to hang their key around like this. I don't think I will, because I don't think this looks the most real of all of the bag. Like, the bag looks really, really good, really real, to be fair. I actually think it looks very believable. But I don't think that key, so I'm probably not going to be keeping the lock on the outside. Some people like to, it's just a personal preference. The bag has been stuffed, and here's a look inside the bag. So first off, I don't think there's any pockets inside of an Hermes Kelly. I will correct myself if I'm wrong. I will put it on the screen. It looks really good inside, to be fair. It's got one zippy back pocket. I think the real Kelly does have that, as you can see. It looks really good that like the empty kind of shape is the way Kellys are. Overall, I think this looks really good. So a lot of people like to wear their Kelly just open like this. I think personally, I actually love the look of it closed. Some people wear it like strapped out like this, and then some people will wear it kind of sticking out the bottom like this. That's, I think, a very nice way to wear it. Yeah, there's so many ways you can wear this bag. Anyway, let me close it up and give you maybe a better look. I'm probably going to get like a cheap insert just because for it to keep it shape, but I did get the Cellier style, Cellier style, which means it's like it's stitched on the outside. So you can get different types of Hermes bags, so many different ways they can be stitched. But I did decide to go for this style. This is the only style the seller had anyway, but that's what I wanted because it's a more rigid style, and I do love a rigid style bag. But yeah, this is the Kelly 25 in black Epsom leather with gold hardware. This is a real leather bag. A lot of the fakes are fake. Very nice bag, and I feel like, let's see, can I wear this on the crook of my arm? Okay, so I'm really lucky I can fit it on the crook of my arm, and that's something I think some people can't. I know it's more of a problem with the Birkin bag, that people can't actually fit their arm in the crook part, which is not great if you have a Birkin bag because it doesn't have a long strap. Like the Birkin bag only has a short strap. So yeah, I'm super delighted. I'm literally so happy with this. It's actually perfect, and I'm just so happy. I thought when I ordered it, the stitching wasn't going to be right. So when I see the stitching right here, it's like, it makes me so happy, because I'm like, that's actually one of the giveaways. Yeah, I don't know. I think probably anyone who has maybe an Hermes bag, or anyone who's an expert on Hermes bag, would know this is a fake, but I think probably most people wouldn't know, and to be honest, probably a lot of people actually know what even an Hermes bag is, because I feel like they're only starting to get more on the trendy side again. Like, I feel like Hermes bags have always been a bag that, like, you know, kind of like the rich and elite people have always had, because they're so hard to get, especially the Kelly or the Birkin, or even the Constance is really hard. So I do know it's very hard to get, but I am so happy with this, and someday when I'm super rich, I will have my own Kelly bag, a real one, and I'll do a comparison video. And that would be like a dream to me. Now, I'm not sure about the handle, if it's exactly identical, but I will put, so here is my fake Hermes Kelly 25, and here is the real Hermes Kelly 25 with the black. I'll get the exact same type. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like this? I'll insert a few close-ups now. That is it for my video today on my unboxing of my fake Hermes Kelly black Cellier Epson leather with gold hardware. There you go. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I have ordered a matching belt. Hopefully I'll be able to include it in this. If not, I will make sure to include it in one of my new coming videos with my vlogs or something like that. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of them. We've got lots more AliExpress hair care videos, challenges, all that stuff coming up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.